Hello, CBS Army. Today we're going to talk all about Elrond. First of all, we're going to discuss the breakout Elrond did. We're going to dive deeper into the technical analysis, whether should you buy Elrond and at what levels, what are some take profit targets, and why is it happening in the first place, as in what's the set of news, the MEX launch. Lastly, we're going to discuss all about our giveaway. Is it really worth $500? And let's get started. Welcome to Crypto by Sahir. In this channel, I'll recommend some of the underrated cryptocurrencies for life-changing gains. So if you love making money and cryptocurrencies, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button. Also, make sure to hit the bell icon so you're currently updated with my videos. The giveaway of MEX tokens is still live, and we're going to discuss all about it at the very end of the video. So first of all, let's jump into the technical analysis of Elrond. So I have the 4-hour chart of Elrond, Tether US, USDT of Binance Pair. And first of all, I want you to show the breakout that happened around 28th of June. So this is the Bollinger Band on the green channel. This is the upper band and this is the lower band. And the breakout happened right here, and it jumped from around 70 bucks to as much as $88, right? And then now it's finally taking some rest, and what I'm expecting is another swing to the low, and from there we might perhaps move a bit upwards. So first of all, I just wanted to show this that eGLD has finally done a breakout after a long downward trend. And what are some of the levels that you could think to buy and some of the levels that you can think to sell? So first of all, you would want to test this level around 81 to $82. So this is the first level that you would want to test. And if it breaks down, then we're expecting it to come down at least at 70 to 71, 72 to 76. So this is the range that you can look at. If you're a patient buyer, then you can just wait for it to test this. If it bounces up from here, then that was the swing low. I'm not convinced that this is just going to be a swing low, but there is a strong support here, which is around 81 to $82. But if you break this, we're coming down to around 70 plus, not below 70. That's what I think. So these are the two levels that you can play around with and test. Make sure to test these levels. Do not enter blindly. Make sure if it bounces off and you are seeing that it was just a bounce and it didn't come back, jump in. If it broke down from, let's say, this level around 80, $81, then you can wait for it to retest this 72 to 75, $76 range, and then you can enter once it bounces back at any one of this interesting levels here, or maybe at 80, right? So these are the levels where you can think to buy Elrond. Now, what should be your expectations for short-term trades, right? So first of all, there's this resistance around $92, $93, and there's also a resistance forming up with EMA 200 on 4-hour, which is around $88. That's also another resistance you can think around. But if that's going to be very short term, not much profits to be taken. But if that breaks up, then we have a level of $92 to $93. That breaks, we have a Fibonacci level of 98.4. If that breaks, we have 104, 118, and as much as 144, right? So what I'm expecting is to have a swing low towards $80 to $75. That's what I'm expecting. And then from there, we should expect a huge bump from that level towards 92. And if we cross 92, we're going above 100. So I'm not expecting this to go down significantly, because I'll be discussing in the news section, like, why is that the case? Why is it breaking out? And why I'm expecting it to be a bit more stable than just breaking all of a sudden, right? So with all of these target points and buying levels, I'll jump right into the news. Let's talk about some of the important news around Elrond. So first of all, let's have a weekly review. So out of the nutshell, US Maiar users can now buy Bitcoin, BNB, and Ethereum right off Maiar mobile app, right? That's the first thing we're going to discuss. Also, this Maiar Exchange update by the CEO in a minute. And if you hover down, the snapshot happened for the week 9. I think now currently the week 10 concluded. If you head over here, the Maiar Exchange is currently taking a snapshot of 11th cycle, so 10th is complete, 9 and 10, and we saw 1.72 million eGLD staked and 633,000 accounts with 6 million transactions and 11.36 million staked. All right, so that's the snapshot of the week. Then let's jump into the update that the CEO did around the launch and the work that has been in progress with respect to the Maiar decentralized exchange. So they are building on top of the user interface. They did show this somewhat of a interface where there's pools, farms that you can come on and put your liquidity in. So, and that's the UX. They're also working on fixing bugs and taking up suggestions, improving over the weekend, and then they will be releasing another update or more on what has been happening in the space on the next weekend. So make sure to just keep an eye on what's been happening, and I'm pretty excited on the Maiar Dex launch. It will most probably be coming around July or August. That's July, August is my tentative deadline. I'll put this to. Again, it's not said anywhere. This is what I'm expecting it to come up till, but that's just my expectations of them delivering the Maiar Dex to everybody. Okay, and following up to that, so they also tested. They also said that there's like audits happening, tests happening, improvement happening over this Elrond's Maiar exchange, and also on this Elrond Ethereum bridge that they're auditing and testing. So these are some of the setup major news. I'm skipping all the partnerships that Elrond has been doing because you usually see that happening more often. But this is the major stuff that's happening, and that's exactly why you saw a breakout, and that's exactly why I'm expecting the price to be more around the stable area than sharply declining. All right. Finally, the exciting part of the video. Let's talk about the giveaway that I'm doing. So I did say that I'm going to give away 1,000 MEX tokens, but we all don't know what's going to be the price of MEX. So this snapshot came in around June 26, where the CEO did this, I think, dummy picture showing what one MEX could be worth. Now, if this indeed comes true, then the giveaway that I'm doing becomes a almost $500 giveaway, right? But again, this is all testing dummy snapshots, so I can't really put a price to the giveaway. Those could be worth as much as 50, 100, 500, maybe more, right? Depending on the timestamp you look at. That's why I preferred MEX giveaway instead of a US dollar giveaway, because it's more lucrative to hold, all right? It drives value to Elrond's community, it drives value to Maiar Exchange, right? So I want to support crypto, and that's why I'm giving away crypto. Okay, so with that being said, it could be as exciting as a $500 giveaway. It could be worse. It could be a $50 giveaway, right? It could be anything. But there's also a bit of a sad news because I read this today. I missed out on the specific detail that, first of all, the MEX will be given away to every Elrond holder after 30 days of the release of the Maiar Exchange. So currently we are around the 11th week, and we're expecting snapshots to happen till 12 weeks, right? as in this week and the next. So somewhere around the middle of July. And after that, 30 days after that, so it's going till August. So middle of August is the time that we might be able to, as eGLD holders, claim MEX tokens. But that's not it. So only 10% of the total will be unlocked. So what I'm guessing I would be getting after I'm unlocked with 10% of my total would be around 300 or 500 MEX tokens. So I'm not sure if I'll be able to give away right then, but as I promise, it will happen. Even if it takes a bit longer, I will give it away. Maybe I could do it in installments, like give away the first winner if I end up with 500 tokens, or I can start with the very bottom, give away 250 to somebody, and then slowly start giving away as they unlock over the span of 6 months. So that's how it's going to be giving away, how they would be releasing MEX over the span of 6 months. Like 15% each month would be claimable, as in not claimable, they will be unlocked. You could claim all of them, but they will be locked. Only 10% will be released, unlocked, and then the rest of the 90% will be unlocked over the series of 6 months, with each month having an unlock percentage of 15%. So that's not exactly a bad news if you ask me, because I'm still giving away those 1,000 MEX tokens. It could be worth as much as $500, $100, less, more, whatever, right? It's something exciting. I like to give away stuff. It's my own personal investment. Nobody's sponsoring this, and yeah, and I'm pretty excited to still like give away everything, right? So that's pretty much it on the giveaway. And I wanted to also make this clear that this MEX token is not the MEX token that people are asking me, because this MEX token is not live. You cannot find this on CoinMarketCap. You cannot find this on CoinGecko. This is not live. Any other MEX token you're talking about, that's a different coin. Okay. All right. So that's pretty much it for this video. Make sure to hit the like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments if you're excited about MEX and what are your expectations of the price of MEX. And I'll see you in the next one.